Hello, I'm Joe Bains. I'm Biohacker Health Coach, and I've just released a 28-day keto challenge. And what this will do is over 28 days, it will slowly transition you to a full keto diet. And the way we're going to do it is that we have to change your relationship with food, with how you relate to food, because at the moment most people, and I'm sure it includes you, it definitely included me, is I had addictions to food. I had cravings for food, so I didn't eat food to heal and nourish my body. I ate it to feed my addictions, my cravings. So by changing your relationship with food, by educating you over 28 days with short videos, we are going to change your relationship with food so that you no longer see food as an addiction, as something, as a pastime, as a hobby, but you'll see it as a fuel source, as something to heal and energize your body. So that we're going to do that. And also going to teach you how to eat clean keto while saving time, money, and effort. How to cook effortlessly. How to make meals simple, quick, easy. How to shop so that you save money every time you shop. We're going to transform your body. So if you're overweight, you'll naturally lose weight because your body becomes healthy, and the side effect of becoming healthy is you lose weight. It'll start removing any metabolic syndromes you have. So if you got any kind of metabolic problems, then they'll start slowly being fixed. Your energy levels, you'll notice, will go through the roof. You'll find yourself like it'll be like a car, an 8-cylinder car being upgraded to a 60-cylinder car with a turbocharger at the back. Because we're doing it slowly and we're reprogramming your mind, your weight loss will be more sustainable. You'll just keep that weight off after 28 days. You'll get a recipe book with this challenge, and what the recipe book will do is it'll teach you how to make delicious, simple meals on keto. Yeah. And then you basically just embrace this type of lifestyle, and you'll just once you've gone keto, you'll be wondering why. Two things: why you didn't do this before. I always wonder why I haven't done this before, and two, why isn't everybody else on keto? And the only way you can help other people go on to keto and live a healthier life is by inspiring them. So by going on keto, you're inspiring others to do it as well.